Hello? Nothing. I'm recording my videos for the Amazon Influencer Program. Stop calling me while I'm recording my videos, man. I'm working. I'm gonna hit you back. Alright, bye. Hey guys, this is Raevonshae. And have you heard of the Amazon Influencer Program? You're not too late, but let me talk to you a little bit more about it. The Amazon Influencer Program is for influencers. You have to apply first. We have the Associates Program, which a lot of people already know about that. That's where you drive traffic and you tell people to shop your links, and if they buy something from your links, then you get a tiny commission for it. The Influencer Program is something totally different. The Influencer Program, Amazon will give you your own storefront. On your Amazon storefront, you can actually put shoppable photos and shoppable videos. So when you get cute and put on your outfit for the day, you can take a picture and tag every brand that's in your photo. And guess what? If somebody sees your photo on the Amazon app and they actually click on one of the links and buy, you get the commission. That's called shoppable photos. People can shop through your photos on Amazon and you get commissions for whatever they buy. Now, shoppable videos is something totally different. People are already on Amazon searching for things that they want to buy. And on the side of each product, there's a section for video reviews. If you're approved for the Amazon Influencer Program, you can actually get your videos placed on those products. And when people watch your reviews, if they click and purchase after they watch your review, you get the commission for that product that you sold. So basically, you don't have to drive the traffic to Amazon. You don't have to do anything but record a review, and Amazon does the rest. So the more reviews you have up, basically, the more money you're going to be making if you have great reviews, you don't have a lot of competition, and the product is actually selling on Amazon anyway. So there's a whole strategy to finding out which items are selling and which ones are worth going for. But just imagine posting 100, 200, 300 reviews and getting paid commissions every time someone purchases through your review. Isn't that wonderful? So this is the opportunity of 2023. Get on board and try your best to get into the Amazon Influencer Program. Let me call you. Are you listening? Try your best to get involved in the Amazon Influencer Program. What does that mean? That means, hold on, let me put you on hold. That means you need to build up your influence on one of your platforms, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube. Build up your influence, get a lot of engagement, and then apply for the Influencer Program. The link will be provided in the description below for you to apply and see what they say. And if you get approved for the Influencer Program, there's another step that you have to take to get approved for the on-site commissions. So that means you need to upload 3 videos, the review videos, so that they can see how you review products. They want to make sure that you're in alignment and you're in compliance and everything. And after you upload it, it takes about 4 to 6 weeks to get approved, sometimes sooner, sometimes a little later. But after they approve you, then you're off to the races. But until then, you would have to just wait until they approve you to see if they approve the quality of your videos. And then you'll be unlocked for the on-site commissions if you're not denied. Some people get denied, but don't fret. All they have to do is fix the problems, and then they go back in and they try again. But a lot of people actually get approved on the first try. So it's nothing to be afraid of. But you want to just do 3 videos, upload them, and let Amazon approve those 3 videos. And in the meanwhile, while you're waiting, you want to look at everything in your house, and you want to start thinking of how you're going to review those videos. You can actually start reviewing them anyway and just hold them in your phone until it's time to actually upload. But you don't want to upload more than 3 at a time, because if they deny it, then you would have to delete everything and start from scratch all over again. So what you want to do is make sure that you are ready for the Amazon Influencer Program, dog. So this is a great way to start your 2023 off with this Amazon influencer program. If you're not already an influencer, make sure to start building one of your platforms up. And guys, let's talk about Rae Nation. Rae Nation is a group of like-minded individuals where we come together and we're going to start posting our success journeys. We're going to start communicating with one another and inspiring and encouraging one another along our way to success. And if you want to join us, then click the link in the description so that you can join our Facebook group today. Guys, you don't want to miss this opportunity. A lot of people are taking it lightly and they're passing over this opportunity and they don't know what they actually have. Some people are actually in the influencer program and they don't know anything about the on-site commissions. Some people are in the program and know about the on-site commissions, but they're not actively doing reviews, so they're not making any money with the on-site commissions. You have to really take this thing seriously if you want to actually create another stream of income. So our goal should be 5 to 7 streams of income for 2023. That's what we're working on. We're working on writing the vision and making it plain. So don't forget to get your success planner, SBC planner, Successful by Choice. If you don't already have it, go to the link in the description and grab it today from Amazon. And you can also do a review on the planner and have that on there. So you want to utilize every stream of income possible for 2023. The more reviews you do, the more videos you upload, the more money you have the possibility of making. It all depends on if the products are already selling or not. And everything depends on everything. But this is a great way to make money for 2023. This is by far the easiest way I found to make money on the internet. So a lot of the other ways, they're good ways, but this one is the easiest in my opinion. So guys, make sure to jump on this ASAP because you don't know how long it's going to last, but you want to get a piece of the pie. You want to get your piece of the pie. Guys, if you made it to this part of the video, type in 2023 influencer and let me know you're still rocking with me. Have a great one. Bye-bye. Hello? I'm recording videos. I'm recording videos for the Amazon influencer program, baby. What is it? Get to the point. I got to get back to work. Oh, you need a call? Okay. Well, just go on the website and fill out the application. Okay. All right, then. I got to go. I got to get back to recording my videos, dog. Bye-bye. What you doing? Recording videos. Recording videos for what? Recording videos for my Amazon influencer program, baby.